Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I'm not feeling too well, but I really wanted to share with you the best deals that we have with this new ad for CVS. If you're new, I invite you to subscribe, and if you need any of those special coupons that I'm going to be shown on this video, they're going to be provided in the description box. So as you can see the ad, we see that there is the cash card, which is the little dollar signs in green, and also we're going to be getting a coupon that says if you spend $40 in hair care, you will get $10 off. So I also included a deal idea in there based on that. Also, I kind of changed the way of the look of my deal, so I'm still working on it, so just be patient with me. So the best offer for all May is if you spend 12, you get 4, and it's a limit of 6. So the deal idea that I was able to come up with is buy 2 of the single eyeshadows. Well, they're not single, they're actually the quad. They're for $6.99. Buy 2 of those, so the cost will be $13.98. Use 2 coupons, deducting 3, so that's right there, minus 6. You will get a $4 ECB, making it $3.98, or just $1.99 each. The next deal is for the Colgate. I'm going to show you 2 different ideas for Colgate depending on the coupon that you do have. This one is the one that we got from the Smart Source 317. So you could buy 1 of the Colgate Colgate Total. Buy 1 get 2 ECB, and the limit is 2, so buy 1 for $3.49. Use that coupon from Smart Source 317, deducting $2. You get back $2 ECB, making it free, and 51-cent Moneymaker. And you could see that is a deal shown in the first page in the CVS app. If you don't have this coupon from Smart Source 317 and you do have the Smart Source 310 and you do have early activation, you could use that coupon instead. And also it should be on the CVS app. Buy that Colgate for $3.49. Use that coupon that expires on Saturday, so remember this is for early activation, and if you do have it on the CVS app, it will deduct $1. You get back 2 ECB, making it 49 cents for each. So it's still a pretty good deal. Also check your CRTs in case you have any coupons that have to do with Colgate. Sometimes you may see the ones that says 4 off 14, and you could combine it with the other Colgate deal as well. This one is another great deal for Crest. What you could do is buy 2. The deal is buy 2 get 3 ECB, and the limit is 2. So what you could do is buy 2 for $4, so that will be 8. These are the coupons that you could use. You could use a coupon from Retail Me Now 317, that's going to deduct $1. Also make sure you select it from the app, so that way it will deduct $2. And then the CRT 2 off 8 if you have it. So right there the deduction is going to be $5 worth. You get back 3 ECB, making it free, but this is free if you have that CVS app and that CRT. This would be a good deal if you have this CRT that says 10 off 25 Garnier. What you could do is buy the moisturizer for $14.99, and also the micellar or any cleanser that's for around $10. So right there you reach $24.98. You could use a coupon from the Smart Source 317 to deduct 2 for the cleanser, 3 for the moisturizer, and also that CRT. And right there is going to deduct $15 worth. Also at the end of the receipt you will get 5 ECB, making it $2.49. But this is if you have this CRT. So the next deal that I'm going to talk to you about is the Garnier Whole Blend. It doesn't seem like a great deal because it does say $133 each, but I want to include this with the hair care deal idea, so I really wanted to explain it to you in detail. So you could buy 3 of the whole blend, since you do need to buy 10 to get the 3 ECB. So buy 3. One of them is going to come out at regular price. Then you could use a coupon from Smart Source 317 and use a coupon from the CVS app. You will get 3 ECB, making it $1.33. So then another item that I want to include for the hair care, I'm just showing them to you individually, so that way you know exactly which coupons to use, is the L'Oreal Ever Pure hair care. Is buy 2 get 5 ECB. So this one is buy 2 for $15. The good thing is that there is coupons that you could print. I'm going to provide them in the description box, and also it's going to be the CVS app. And if you have any CRT for the L'Oreal hair care, it will be perfect. So use those coupons, and right there you're going to deduct $8. You will get back 5 ECB, making it $1 each if you buy this individually. Then the next hair care that I also want to include for the 10 off when you spend 40 is the Tresemme. This one you're going to buy 4. It says buy 15 and you will get 5 ECB, and it's buy 1 get 1 50% off. So that's why I wanted to show you the price, because in my store I seen it for $6.29, and the one that's half off is going to be $3.15. So right there it will be $18.87. You could use coupons from the Retail Me Now $3.17. And if you have any CRTs for the Tresemme that printed, you could use it as well. So right there is going to deduct $10. You will get back 5 ECB, making it 97 cents each. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. I show you individually every single of those items and the coupons that you do need and the CRT. So then here, what you could do is spend 40, get 10. So if we buy the whole blend, which is the third one that says 3, it will be $10.99. The second one that says 2, and the total is 15, that's for the L'Oreal Ever Pure. And the one that says buy 4, that's for the Tresemme, which I explained all those ones individually. So your total will be $44.87. Right there you see $2 of 10 and 2 coupons of 10, and that means that it's including the 10 off when you spend 40, and every other coupon that I mentioned individually. So right there is going to deduct $32 worth, including those CRTs that I did mention. You will get 10 ECBs and a $3 ECB, making it free and a little bit moneymaker. For the next deal idea, I'm going to show you 2 different options. So this one is with no coupons. You don't need any coupons. It does say any Listerine. You make sure you don't get the trial set size. So if you buy 2, you get 4, and if you buy 3, you get 8. So what you could do is buy 3. That is a little bit bigger, and therefore $3.39. So right there you reach $10.17. You don't need any coupons. You get $8 ECB at the end of your receipt, making it 72 cents each, which is a pretty good deal. But if you do want to get the bigger size, since there is coupons, there's printable coupons for it, and it will apply for the bigger size, then here is the deal idea. You could buy 1 for $5.59, which is a bigger size, and 2 of the smaller size, but not the trial size. Right there, the price will be $12.37, depending on the price in your store. You will be able to use a coupon. There's a coupon in the CVS app, and also if you like, you could print the coupon. I'm going to provide that in the description box. And if you have any CRT, I've seen CRTs that deduct 2 off 12 for mouthwash. It will be perfect. So right there is going to deduct $3, and you will pay 46 cents after the $8 ECB for each of those items. So that's a pretty good deal. Maybelline is also a good deal. We've been seeing this deal, and luckily that coupon doesn't expire yet. So you could buy the Snapscara. It's a pretty good mascara. I do like that. I'm enjoying that mascara actually. And you could buy the single eyeshadow. So between those 2, it will be $11.78. You could use the coupons from Retail Me Not from $3 off for the mascara and $1 off for the single eyeshadow. So that's going to deduct $4. You get back 5 ECB, making it $1.39 each. But if you still have that Maybelline CRT from last week, you could use it and it will be free. The next deal idea. This is only for early activation, meaning if you're able to do this deal on Saturday, since the coupon does expire on Saturday. So you could buy any Oreo cookies, buy 1 get 1 50% off, and if you buy 10, you get 3 ECB. So you could buy 2, one for regular price at $4.39. The other one's going to be half off. So once you buy 3, you reach the $10. You could use a coupon from the Smart Stores, deducting $1 when you buy 2. And you will get an ECB of $3 at the end of the receipt, making it $2.33. If you have any other coupons for the mini Oreos or the thin bites, that will be a great deal as well. For Physicians Formula, if you have the CRT that has to do with cosmetics, this will be a good time to use it. Physicians Formula is buy 15 get 10. This is a coconut eye makeup remover. This is one of those newest items. It's for $7.49. And you could buy 2 of those. Right there you will reach $15. Use that CRT if you have it, or if you have any other CRT that is a little bit higher, it will be even better. So it will deduct $2, but you get 10 ECB at the end of your receipt, making it $1.49 for each of these items. So that's also a pretty good deal. The next item, which I'm loving, this is the Chic Razor. It's buy 2 get 10, and it's a limit of 1. We did receive a coupon that says buy 1. You have to buy a specific item to get the other one free, and that came in the Smart Stores $3.17. Also, if you have a CRT, you could use it as well. So what you could do is buy one of the Hydro Silk, the razor, that I seen it for $8.99. The refills are the ones that I've seen a little bit more for $11.99. So for the BOGO coupon, they're gonna deduct it on the $8.99 for the razor. And if you use that CRT, it's gonna deduct about $12.99 total. You will get back 10 ECB at the end of your receipt, making it free, and $2.01 Moneymaker, but it all depends on the prices in your store and which CRT you did get. So this is a really good deal. The last deal I want to share with you, which is the one in the front page in the ad, is a soft soap. So what you could do is buy 2 of those for $3.49. Since the limit is 4, it says if you buy one, you get 175 ECB. So buy 2 of those for $3.49. That will be $6.98. You could use 2 coupons for the smart stores that we're expecting this Sunday. It's going to deduct 75 cents each. And also, you have this CRT for soft soap or body wash. You could use it as well. So it's going to deduct $3.50 in total. You will get 2 ECBs of 175 each. That means $3.50, making it free. And it will be free if you have that CRT. So these are the best deals we're expecting this Sunday, and I'm so excited to share with you. Keep your eyes out for those coupons that we're expecting, like the 10 off for hair, 10 off 40, and also the cash card deal. If I see anything in the week, I will do another video and include it on my blog, excitedforcoupons.com. So thank you so much for watching, for your support, and if you're new, I invite you to subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.